It's Addie from Florida Parks After Dark, and we are here at Rainforest Cafe at Disney's Animal Kingdom. So, I don't know if many of you know this, but they do have a Rainforest Cafe outside Animal Kingdom Park, which is very fitting considering it's themed to the rainforest. So let's just take a walk in and we will show you around. In here, this is the bar. There's all the animals. There's elephants back there. Elephants back there, and there's gorillas. There's butterflies. You feel like you are in the middle of the rainforest. They have a fish tank all the way back there. That's a neat fish. And there's a globe that you can put that out. Lots of neat little details in here. So look at that. This is in the bar area. And so coming along this way. Then that takes us back out to the entrance. And to the right is the gift shop. The gift shop, excuse me, very fun themes. Giant sloths, jungle toys, everything themed to wild animals here. Standard keychains, personalized glasses. And if you want, you can get your own Rainforest Cafe cup with your name on it. Let's see. I like finding my name on these. I don't think they have Addison, unfortunately. Can I see if they have Mackenzie? Do they have Mackenzie as well? I'm not seeing any Mackenzies. No, unfortunately they have neither of our names. That's fine because they have a lot of other names. So if any of you want one of your names on one of those, there's a good chance you'll find yours. And this is George. It goes on and on. Giant squishable pile. Oh yes. And a giant frog. Look at him. It's a giant frog in the middle of the gift shop. What do you think of that, Kens?
That's a big frog.
Biggest frog you've ever seen in your life. Once again with the rainforest theming. Another fish tank.
There's a lot of fish tanks also in here.
Look at that. Look at all the fish swimming around. Oh my goodness. It's an Eeyore. It's an Eeyore. Isn't that adorable?
Oh my god, that is adorable.
Fish. And now we're in like the younger kids section. Oh, ah yes, there is a volcano here too. There's a parrot up there. Ah, parrot. It's those little details. This is one of those places you can look around and still catch new details every time you come.
There's a frog, there's a panther.
A leopard, I think.
There's some cats.
Lots of Rainforest Cafe merchandise, shirts and sweaters.
Oh my god, that kitty scared me. Yeah, I know it moves.
And yeah, it just goes on and on. And then back here, that is the entrance to Animal Kingdom Park. You can walk through there, and that's how you get into the park. Although I think it is blocked off now.
Yes, it is.
Blocked by the shirts, but that would be how you get into the park. So let's go back. Oh, what do you see?
Nothing.
There's a snake. There's a big python. Who wouldn't get scared by that? Oh, and it moves too.
That's what jump scared me.
More stuffies. This is just a very, very adorable store here. Look at all those giant stuffies. If you were 5, wouldn't you want one of those pens?
Yes.
Which one would be coming home with you? That big frog. I was gonna say the frog too, good call. And so that is the store. Big store, really unique restaurant. So that is Rainforest Cafe at Animal Kingdom. Yes, you can tell. It just goes on for miles and miles and miles. Very expansive. So, we'll end you on the monkey. So once again, this is Addie and Kenzie from Florida Parks After Dark. Remember to like and subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified when we post new videos. Comment, it tells us what you'd like to see and what we can keep showing you. And you all have a great day.